Hi all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So uh, uh, we are starting, okay, new batch of Dynatrace. Starting a new batch of Dynatrace, okay. Dynatrace Oneagent you can call. Yeah, so we are starting a new batch of Dynatrace Oneagent that will be held on Saturday and Sunday. So Saturday, I think we have 18th and 19th. Okay, so it is a 2 days program and the total duration will be 12 hours. Okay, it's a kind of crash course. This is the second time we are doing it, and we are starting a new batch on 18th and 19th June of this month. Okay, and the total duration will be 12 hours. Okay, and it's a crash course, and price should be $65. 65 euro, and in the Indian currency is the 5,000 rupees. Okay, 5,000 rupees. Okay, so we are starting a new batch, and the topic we'll be discussing on that day. So each day 6 hours, and we'll be discussing on Dynatrace SaaS architecture, easy travel application deployment on Linux host, Oneagent installation, environment ActiveGate configuration, synthetic monitoring, okay, then application configuration, management zone, tag, alert profile, APIs, custom configuration like metadata, host group, all those things. Dashboard, then anomaly detection, custom alert configuration, then integration with cloud, one cloud like AWS. Then we have some performance engineering, pure part technology, AppDex rating, reports, smart script topology, and so on. So most of the things will cover in 12 hours. Okay, and you'll get a good exposure on Dynatrace Oneagent. If those people who wanted to learn Dynatrace Oneagent and for them it's very difficult, they can enroll the course. Okay, so in my YouTube channel, you can go to that about section and you can find my email ID, APM-DT@outlook.com. You can send an email, and then our team will touch with you, and you can discuss. Okay, so we have, if you go to that my YouTube channel, in the about section you can find my email ID, phone number, those things. You can send an email, and you can connect with us, and our team will get back to you as soon as possible once we'll receive an email. And so let's wait and we'll see how it is. So maximum participants is allowed 25 to 30 in one batch. Okay, so based on the US timing, UK timing, I will suggest you which time. Time is not decided. So I will suggest you how we can add it. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Thank you.